open the BioWare software for the force plates, select Data, Acquire Trial. For your sampling information, input your desired length and rate. So for this example, 10 seconds and 100 Hertz. And then direction of control should be in the backward direction. And then hit Start. This will zero the force plate, so make sure no one is standing on the force plates. Once the force plates are zero, select OK. This will start your trial. This is the resulting data. Select View, Configure Graphs. You have your forces, or the ground reaction forces, in the X, Y, and Z direction, as well as the center of pressure. So to solely look at center of pressure, select the A values, select OK, and this graph solely shows the center of pressure. To look at an individual force plate, select Plate, and then the force plate you want to look at. And then to also look at the ground reaction forces, select the forces you want to look at. In order to save your file, go into File, Save As. Make sure you save it to the desktop. And then the file type should be a text file. And then your file name should be something appropriate, like your initials and the test ran. Select Save. You can just select Yes if this pop-up appears. Save again. Export device data, select the forces, and then export the data. And then you'll want to make sure you save the changes to the BioWare software. Select Yes. Same thing, make sure you label your file correctly so you can find it again. Select Save. Thank you.